How to download Fortnite on PS5. First of all, you want to scroll up, so with either your left stick or your D-pad up to where you can see the game section. Then you want to go right on either your D-pad or your left stick to be able to get to the little magnifying glass icon at the top right where it says search. Click X on that. Then in the search bar, you want to just simply type in Fortnite. Then once you've typed that in correctly, it should be the first one that pops up. It should say Fortnite free. Go ahead and click on that. Then in this section here, you can just click download. Once you've clicked on that, it should, in the top right hand corner, say add it to download. You can click on the PlayStation logo button in the middle of your controller. Then you'll be able to see the status of your download, how long's left. It might take you a few minutes or a few hours, even if you have poor internet connection. But eventually, it will load up, and then it will have Fortnite on your PlayStation 5 controller home screen. You can click on that, play it, and you're done. Leave a like on the video if it helps. Subscribe for more helpful videos.